In today's video, I will teach you how to make a high contrast black and white portrait in Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea and open the portrait image that you'd like to work with by going to File, then Open. Then select the image layer, then go to Image, Adjustments, then Black and White. Then adjust the sliders in the black and white panel to control the brightness of each color channel until you achieve the initial black and white look that you want. Then click OK to apply. With the image layer selected, go to Image, Adjustments, then Levels. In the Levels panel, drag the left slider slightly to the right to deepen the shadows. Then drag the right slider slightly to the left to brighten the highlights. You can also adjust the midtones or the middle slider to fine-tune the balance between the shadows and highlights. Then click OK when you're satisfied. For additional control, go to Image, Adjustments, then Curves. Then create an S-curve by dragging the curve line down in the shadows area and up in the highlights area. This further enhances the contrast and makes the black and white effect more dramatic. Then click OK when done. If you want to add more detail to specific areas, select the Dodge tool from the toolbar to lighten the highlights, or the Burn tool to darken the shadows. Then set the range to midtones, and adjust the exposure to around 10 to 20% for subtle adjustments. Then brush over the areas that you want to emphasize or darken for a more dynamic effect. Now we're going to fine-tune with brightness and contrast. To do this, go to Image, Adjustments, then Brightness and Contrast, and adjust the contrast slider to increase or decrease the contrast as needed. This step allows for additional adjustments to make your image pop even more. Another optional step is adding grain. To give your image a classic film-like texture, go to Filter, Noise, then Add Noise. Then adjust the amount to add a subtle grain, giving it a more textured appearance. Then keep the amount low to avoid overwhelming the image. And once you're happy with the effect, go to File, then Export As, then choose your preferred file format to save your high contrast black and white portrait. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.